Your time, love and energy are precious and rare like gold. Like real gold, your emotional gold has real intrinsic value. As a life partner or best friend, you have emotional gold to invest. You invest your gold in others because you want and should expect a return on your investment, precisely like you would if you invested in stocks and shares. Each individual relationship should be evaluated from a return of investment perspective and be based on a reasonable expectation of an equal and reciprocal exchange of emotional gold. You can see on the spiral I've set up the gold. Here is yellow gold, and I've just differentiated here. Here is the gold I've invested. A little bit on the outside, a lot in the middle, and the silver gold is just to reflect my return of investment. And remember, the catch cry here is healthy is equal and reciprocal investment of gold. You invest a little in acquaintances on the outside of your spiral where the risk of loss is higher. Be mindful of where you choose to place an individual or family member on your spiral. It helps to determine not only the level of protection you need in the relationship, but also how much time, love, energy to invest in them, not to mention how much of a return on your investment it's reasonable to expect. Now imagine one of your adult children doesn't bother to call you on your birthday. They don't seem to care when you are sick, yet they expect you to be available at the drop of a hat every time they need. Now where are they on your spiral? Well, we're clearly saying that they are not giving you much. They don't care. They don't bother. Now remember, your time, love, energy and care are precious like gold. You are not getting much from them. Yet you've given a lot. Because healthy is equal and reciprocal, if you want to preserve your health, if you want to keep yourself in the middle, you need to make sure that it's an equal return. So this entitled, slack, uncaring adult child deserves to be on the outside where you're only going to give a little bit of gold. But unfortunately, and we're going to have to refer to this later, you've lost a lot of gold, and that's a different problem. But for the purposes here, no, this family member is not qualified to be in the middle.